Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss something that will make your car last forever. So let's jump right in. To maximize your car's lifespan, installing the right upgrades can prevent premature wear, improve efficiency, and reduce long-term maintenance costs. Below is a detailed guide on the best installations for long-lasting vehicle performance and protection. Install an oil catch can. Purpose: prevents carbon buildup in the intake manifold by catching excess oil vapors. Reduces sludge formation in the engine, which improves efficiency and longevity. Why it's essential: direct injection engines are particularly prone to carbon deposits, which can lower performance over time. Prevents oil contamination in the combustion chamber, reducing misfires and rough idling. Installation tips: choose a high-quality oil catch can with a built-in filter for better oil separation. Mount it in an easily accessible location for periodic draining. Install it between the PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve, and the intake manifold. Maintenance: empty the catch can every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or during oil changes. Upgrade to high-quality engine air and cabin air filters. Purpose: a clean engine air filter improves fuel efficiency and engine performance. A cabin air filter ensures better air quality inside the car by filtering dust, pollen, and pollutants. Engine air filter benefits: prevents debris from entering the engine, reducing internal wear, enhances fuel combustion by ensuring clean airflow, improves horsepower in high-performance vehicles. Cabin air filter benefits: keeps allergens and pollutants out of the ventilation system, prevents foul odors caused by mold and bacteria buildup, enhances HVAC system performance by reducing airflow restriction. Recommended replacement interval: engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or sooner in dusty areas. Cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or at least once a year. Top brands: K&N, Bosch, Fram, MAN, AEM for reusable or high-performance filters. Install a dash cam with parking mode. Purpose: protects against hit-and-run incidents, vandalism, and insurance fraud. Provides evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Why it's essential: can help lower insurance premiums in some regions. Some dash cams feature night vision, GPS tracking, and motion detection for better security. Recommended features: 1080p or 4K recording for clear footage. G-sensor to automatically save accident footage. Loop recording so storage never runs out. Parking mode to detect motion or impacts when parked. Installation tips: hardwire the dash cam to the car's fuse box for 24/7 operation. Use a high-endurance microSD card to prevent data corruption. Best dash cam brands: Vantrue, Blackview, Garmin, Nextbase, Viofo. Use a battery trickle charger for infrequent drivers. The purpose of a trickle charger is to keep your car battery fully charged, preventing sulfation and premature failure. It's ideal for cars that aren't driven daily or are stored for long periods. Why is it essential? Well, it prevents the battery from dying if the car sits unused for weeks or months. Plus, it reduces the risk of jump-starting, which can damage electronics. It's best for classic cars, secondary vehicles, and seasonal storage. Also, it's great for people who take extended vacations or don't drive daily. There are different types of trickle chargers. Smart chargers automatically switch to maintenance mode when the battery is full, and solar trickle chargers are ideal for outdoor vehicle storage. For installation tips: you can connect directly to the battery terminals, or use the OBD2 port if available. Make sure to choose a charger with overcharge protection. Some of the best brands out there include Battery Tender, Noco, Schumacher, and C-Tech. Apply rust-proofing and undercoating treatment. The purpose of this treatment is to protect the car's underbody, wheel wells, and suspension from rust and corrosion. It's essential in snowy areas where road salt accelerates rust formation. There are a couple of types of rust-proofing. Oil-based rust-proofing penetrates seams and cracks, preventing moisture buildup. It requires annual reapplication but offers deep protection. Rubberized undercoating forms a thick protective barrier against water, salt, and debris. It's best for protecting the chassis and wheel wells. This is best for vehicles driven in snowy, coastal, or high-humidity areas, and older vehicles that lack factory rust protection. For installation tips: apply before winter for maximum protection. Focus on wheel wells, suspension components, and metal underbody parts. Avoid spraying moving parts like brake rotors, exhaust, and drive shafts. Some of the best brands include Fluid Film, Crown, Pour 15, and Rust-Oleum. Bonus installations for longevity. First, install a TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system if your car lacks one. It ensures proper tire pressure, improving fuel economy and preventing blowouts. It also reduces uneven tire wear, extending the life of tires. Next, install a coolant temp gauge if you have an older car. It helps monitor overheating issues before they cause severe engine damage. This is essential for older cars without advanced warning systems. You can also use a ceramic coating for paint protection. It provides a long-lasting hydrophobic layer that repels dirt and water, protecting paint from UV damage, oxidation, and minor scratches. For towing vehicles, install a transmission cooler. It helps reduce transmission overheating, especially in heavy-duty or off-road applications. This extends the life of transmission fluid and internal components. Lastly, upgrade to LED headlights for better visibility. This improves night driving safety and reduces strain on the car's electrical system. LED bulbs last much longer than halogen bulbs. Installing these upgrades can significantly extend your car's lifespan, reduce maintenance costs, and improve overall safety. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend driver, or a car enthusiast, these modifications will help you keep your vehicle running smoothly for years.